Hello and welcome back to Off Grid Style. I'm Nikki and I'm so glad to have you all here today. Today's topic is going to be 18 non-food essential items that you need to be stockpiling. This will include things like self-defense weapons, tools, and those types of things that you definitely want to make sure you have, especially in an SHTF or emergency situation. So let's get started. Today, we are discussing 18 essential non-food items to stockpile for preparedness. Preparedness is the key to resilience in challenging situations, be it natural disasters, emergencies, or unexpected events. Stockpiling non-food items is just as critical as storing food to ensure you have the essentials needed to survive and thrive. We are going to look at 18 essential non-food items to stockpile, including self-defense items, tools, and supplies for various scenarios. First, let's look at self-defense items. In uncertain situations, personal safety becomes a top priority. Consider items like pepper spray, ammunition, a personal alarm, and self-defense classes to bolster your safety measures. Water purification tools. Life straws and portable water filters are indispensable for ensuring access to safe drinking water when clean sources are scarce. Fire starting tools. Lighters, waterproof matches, and fire starters are vital for warmth, cooking, and sterilizing water in emergencies. Butane lighters and fuel are also good to stockpile. Warm clothing and spare clothing. Stockpile warm clothing, including thermal layers, insulated jackets, sturdy boots, and waterproof gear to protect against cold and wet conditions. Also includes sewing supplies. Also, stock spare clothing in climates that are warmer so that you can use that spare clothing for patchwork, etc. Blankets and sleeping bags. These will provide warmth and insulation during outdoor situations or when shelter options are limited. Tents and tarps. Lightweight tents and tarps offer shelter from the elements, protecting you from rain, wind, and insects. They also have many other uses. Ponchos or any type of rain gear are also great for stockpiling. Compact and lightweight, ponchos keep you dry during unexpected rain showers or storms. Fishing supplies. Be sure to include fishing hooks, lines, and collapsible fishing rods for a sustainable food source near water bodies. Multi-tools and knives. Multi-tools and knives are versatile tools for cutting, fixing, and adapting to various situations. Hand tools, hardware supplies, and building materials are also a good idea to stockpile. Flashlights and extra batteries. Illumination is essential for safety and navigating in the dark. LED flashlights with extra batteries are reliable choices. Also, candles and candle wicks. First aid supplies. A comprehensive first aid kit should include bandages, antiseptics, pain relievers, and essential medical supplies for treating injuries. Paracord. Durable and versatile, paracord has countless uses, from securing shelter to crafting tools and equipment, and many others. Hatchets or axes. A small hatchet or axe can aid in chopping wood for fuel, building shelters, and crafting tools. Pain relievers. Over-the-counter pain relievers and anti-inflammatory drugs are valuable for managing pain and discomfort. Duct tape. This extremely versatile product can repair gear, patch leaks, and serve as an improvised bandage, as well as multitudes of other uses. Communication devices. A battery-powered or hand-crank emergency radio like the one you see here and a whistle can help you stay informed and call for help when needed. Cash and your important documents. Keep some cash in small denominations and essential documents like identification, insurance papers, and copies of important records in a waterproof container. If you are enjoying this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Stockpiling these 18 essential non-food items is a proactive way to prepare for emergencies and unforeseen situations. Preparedness is an ongoing process. You need to periodically check and refresh your supplies to make sure they remain functional. 2 is 1 and 1 is none. This saying is why stockpiling, or having multiples of survival items, is so important. I hope you liked the video. Let me know what you thought. I thought it was pretty cool. Definitely things that you do need to have for everyday emergency situations, as well as for SHTF type situations. So tell me your thoughts. Tell me what you would add, subtract, multiply, all of those things. I love to hear from you. I always answer back. So like, comment, subscribe, and say hello. I'll see you again soon.